Hello everyone, in last video I have covered around 84 question. In this video I will cover rest question of DP-300. So in this question, the first question is related to error code, where we have user error file not found, and the correct answer of this is B. Here in the next question we have an Azure SQL database, and configuration should be interval length minus and 1. In this video, I will just cover the correct answer of these questions. After that, C is the correct answer, that is related to the query store, because this question is related to identify which query is causing the issue. If there is the instances start experiencing performance issues, and this question is related to the query store, and this is the main question of admin effort, because in query store you will get all the queries which are going to be slowed down. The next question is related to the where if you want to display the estimated execution plan of a query, then you need to run the set show plan or underscore all transact SQL statement. If you are getting such kind of graph, this is basically a graph where you are finding out like what is the cost of the query, where you get all the nested loop and indexing and lookup. So the correct answer is key lookup and non-cluster index, and performance issue generally stems from the key lookups, where you get what is the actual performance issue and how it can be resolved by using non-cluster indexes. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Yeah. Okay, so the correct answer of this type of question is, first you need to enable email setting for the SQL Server agent, then create a job alert, and then create a job notification. Next is the create an Azure policy initiative. Create an Azure policy initiative assignment and run Azure policy remediation task. This is like if you want to assign any policy, this is a kind of initiative which you can initiate at the end, and this comes for the Azure governance plan. So here C is the correct answer. To send a notification response to an alert, you must configure SQL Server agent to send mail. First, you need to go into the Object Explorer, then right click on SQL Server agent, and then click on the properties. Then you need to click on alert system, and then select enable mail, and then you need to select database mail, and then select our mail profile, and then restart your SQL Server agent. So next question is B, Microsoft.event grid. This is a kind of trigger where you need to trigger an Azure Data Factory pipeline when a file arrives in an Azure Data Factory lake container, and which resource you need to trigger. So here like P1 the set the partition option to dynamic range, and P2 set the copy method to polybase. These two are the correct option of this type of. And yes, for this PDF I'm taking full responsibility, because I have cleared after reading this PDF my DP-300 administrator exam of Azure. So for this kind of questions I'm fully confident that these are the correct answer. For example, in this case, if you are getting any question like this where you need to ask like there is an inject data from system 1 and inject data from system 2, then all the pipeline must execute every 8 hours. So what you need to schedule, in this case we need to create a parent pipeline that contains the 4 pipeline and use a schedule trigger. D is the correct answer, and for more you can go through Azure Data Factory control flow activities. In this case, a tumbling window. Always try to read about this tumbling window, because this tumbling window trigger supports backflip scenarios and where pipeline runs can be scheduled for windows in the past. So this is the correct answer. A is the correct answer, and this is a scenario where they are asking you have 10 pipelines and you need to label each pipeline with its main purpose of either ingest or transform or load. So what should you add to each pipeline? Here we have like an annotation, and this annotation helps you easily filter different data objects based on a tag. So in this video I will try to cover all the 100 questions. Next video I will break down because it's very tough for me to cover next 91 questions. So in this case, correct answer is an alert notification was sent after the failure of activity 1 in pipeline A. So all of these answers are no in this question because there is one failure within the 5 minute. And if you are getting like a graph like this, activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, activity 4, and lookup and for each, and there is a question where you need to create an alert and you are getting such kind of metric, then this is the correct answer. So just try to get the correct answers as of now. If you have like examination on tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, because I know you don't have much time to read, then just read these type of points. Like here we have keyword activity 1 and next keyword is activity 3, but in the last one activity 1 in pipeline B, so all of the answer is a no. So this is the again scenario based question and only one question is correct. So in this case we have, this is the wrong answer. If you need to transform a solution, what is this giving solution? You use a data factory schedule trigger to execute a pipeline that execute mapping data flow and then insert the data into data warehouse. So it doesn't meet the goal. You need to create a custom activity to run R script on your HT cluster with R installed. And the second one is also wrong because here there is a solution of use schedule and Azure Databricks that executes on R notebook. So the next one is the correct one because here A, if you need to transform data in any way that is not supported by data factory, then you can create a custom activity with your own data processing logic, and you need to use the activity in the pipeline. You can create a custom activity to run R script on your HT inside cluster with R installed. So here I have completed 100 question. In next video I will cover another 191 question. Till then, keep learning and take care of yourself and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.